What's going on, guys? So, Valentine's Day is around the corner, or at least it's around the corner at the time that I'm recording this. By the time this video is out, it'll probably have passed, but anyway, it's around the corner at the moment, and I need to make something for my wife. And I mean, I could, of course, get her something or do the whole chocolate teddy bear flower thing. But, the perk of being married to a creative is you might get a custom gift of sorts on certain occasions. And I mean, there is a pressure with being a creative because you kind of have to find a way to top yourself with these occasions. And maybe I will, maybe I won't this time, but we'll see. Anyway, so my wife gave me an old denim jacket of hers like a few months ago, and I haven't had a chance to really get to it due to like other projects and just other things going on. But now I got time. So let's get started. I'm planning to show you guys the painting process and all that, obviously. And maybe, just maybe, at the end, I'll show you my wife's reaction to the jacket, but you gotta stay tuned to find out. So let's get to it. All right, so let's get into it. So my wife is a big fan of my roses, and if you follow my work, you should know I stay painting blue indigo roses and or rose petals. They're pretty prominent in my work, and my wife requested a pink rose because that's her favorite color. And I'm like, all right. Again, those following my work should also know that I'm no stranger to the color pink. So that was easy. So I went in. I mean, as you can see, I started with a white base layer, and then I just pulled out a pink pencil and got to sketching my rose. No reference, by the way, just because I've been sketching so many roses lately. My last big illustration, Self-Care, I had like 30 roses on there, so I kind of got it down now. I painted the background first, and I had the idea to paint it yellow to give it like this pink lemonade vibe, kind of inspired by Paper Frank, because he always paints pink and yellow in his works. I paint a lot of pink and blues, but I didn't really want to do a blue background, so kept it pink and yellow, and then got going section by section, just layer by layer, blending it all in, darkening it when I needed to. It was fun. I actually did it in one sitting, in one night. Usually paintings or artworks, it's a rarity that I finish something in one night, but this wasn't too bad. As you can see at this point, I'm adding on like a dark outline layer just to kind of make it pop off the jacket. And then I painted the little leaves around the rose a darker pink. And blended it out a little bit, a little blend. Nothing wrong with a little blend. At the end here, I added in some yellow touch-ups because yellow isn't the darkest color, so you might need a few layers to fill in all the holes there. But yeah, as you can see here, I had to sign it, of course. Muddy's the name. Peeled off the tape. Noticed some white edges that I had to paint with yellow again. And yeah. All right, we let it dry for like 12 hours, and now I'm about to throw it in the dryer so that it could heat press or heat seal, and I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Got it out the dryer. There's always a little bit of worry that it's gonna look a little weird out the dryer, but it came out fine, which you can't tell because I got this little filter here. Maybe I'll turn it off temporarily real quick. I just really like that comic filter, yo. But as you could see, still looking good. And now I'm gonna gift wrap it. So about to put it in a box and some nice wrapping paper, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I may have lied about the nice gift box. I didn't have time to find a nice gift box, and I thought, I'm gonna put it in an old shoe box and then wrap it in nice gift wrap paper. And I think the shape, the size of the box should add some confusion and cause her to not know what this gift could be. Because she's kind of, expecting that I'm gonna work on this denim jacket at some point for her. But I think this gift box will help, give off an illusion of, oh, this might be something totally different. But yeah, so she about to unwrap it, see a Nike shoe box and be like, you got me shoes? Boom, jacket that you requested months ago is actually in there, not a pair of Nike shoes. Oh, hey, Valentine. I got a little something for you.
Thank you, my love.
We're celebrating a day late, but here goes.
Did you pick this up?
I did.
You did?
How'd I do?
This is pretty.
How's my wrap job, though?
This is solid. Even Shadia would be impressed.
Let's see.
It's like double wrap. See, you always keep me looking dirty.
Do I?
Yeah. Oh, you finished it already?
Uh-huh.
How did you finish this already?
'Cause I'm good like that, Ma. Hey, what'd you think?
This is nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, try it on.
Alright, I'm doing double denim right now, but...
Hey, you killing it, though.
Yeah?
All right.
Thank you, my love.
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day. Don't mind Nyx behind you. She being a hater. All right, you saw the whole painting process. My wifey loved the jacket. She was surprised that I got it done this quick. I mean, I was too, but yeah, we made it. She loves it. She looks great in it. It does. You look great. And yeah, thank you for tuning in this long. You made it to the reaction. Till next time.